But if you're going to be any sort of diligent owner of a watercraft, I don't care if it's a used watercraft. I don't care if it's brand spanking new. I don't care if it's a 1973 400 stand-up, JS 400. I don't care. Guys, you can make that thing run like a top if you just stay on top of it. Okay? But you got to know what your skill set is, and you got to operate within your skill set. And if you want to stretch yourself, you're going to be stretching yourself. You're going to be challenging yourself to do the work. If you don't want to do the work, you need to find a shop or a dealership with a service department that will do the work, and you need to be committed to it. It's a commitment. All right? My 05 Ram, 270-something thousand miles, never failed me. The only time it ever failed me was I put the wrong transmission filter. I put the wrong transmission filter in. I put the 4x4 transmission filter in instead of the standard two-wheel drive. The four-wheel drive has a deeper pan, so it lowers the filter down, and the filter was pressed up against the pan, and it starved the transmission, and I burned up third gear. So that was an expensive lesson. Have I paid to have someone do my transmission since then? Absolutely not. I learned my lesson, and I'll never do it again. And I service my transmission. I service my engine. I can do it because I am comfortable with that, because I am comfortable with my skill set in regards to the challenge of maintaining my truck. Okay, but when the AC goes out, I don't have the equipment to evacuate the system and recharge the system. So I have to go and have the AC fixed. Okay, that's my skill set, or that's my tool set. So for you guys who say, hey, I'm going to go buy a new Ultra or a new FX SVHO or a new GTX 300 or whatever the vehicle might be, you need to take an honest assessment of who's going to be doing the work. Am I going to be doing the work? Am I prepared to do the work? Do I have a place to do the work? Do I know how to do the work? If you don't, you may want to look at contingencies. That's the honest truth. And dealerships have service departments for a good reason. And guess what? If you are unsatisfied or dissatisfied with the service department that you have, you can go to a different one. I don't care if you drive 6 hours to go to a different one, because you know that the one 6 hours away is going to make sure your ski is running primo. So go to that one. It's okay. Not that I recommend driving 6 hours for anything, but as an exaggerated case, go do that one. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.